All right, here we are. I took the front clip off to start changing. You can see that's all I've done, and you can watch any video you want to about that. I was going to show you the damage here. You guess it was. Guy said, yeah, I think there's a little leak in the radiator. No, there's not. So anyway, in the middle of this, when I get a little further, I'll because there's all kind of videos on how-tos. I am doing a journey video, not a how-to video. So here we go. We are journeying to change the radiator, and this friggin' bumper's got to go because it is in the way. But anywho, y'all keep following along. I'll be back in a minute to show you where I'm at. All right, back at you. This is where I've got to. I've got the air box out. I got the coolant jug out. I got the fan off. Now all I got to do is pull the radiator, disconnect that from that, and pull the radiator out. All the hoses are disconnected. Put the new radiator in, and yeah, once I get this one out, I'll holler back at you. But really, basically, just gotta remove the condenser, which it needs a new one of those too. But I'm not putting that on anytime soon. And then we will move forward. Lights are coming tomorrow. These had angel eyes on them, but they don't work. So anywho, gonna get this piece out of here. I can't remember how to do this. I did mine before, but I can't remember. Oh, there they are. Okay, yeah, I see. All right, couple of little bolts here that you got to get to. It won't be too hard. I think you can get, and maybe I got a swivel that I think I can get to it with. Oh yeah. And once I get to that, that'll come off of there. The radiator will pop out once I take the bolts out of it, and then put the new radiator in, bolt this down, and reverse. I'll be back when I get the radiator out, and I'll show you that. All right, do not do like I did, because I made so much more work for myself than what I should have had to. The little clips that are on there will absolutely eat you up. I'm over here looking at the tires I'm fitting to put on it. Been sitting in the yard for about 5 or 6 years, but zero dry rot. So I'm gonna clean them up, vacuum them out, and get them. Let me show you. The reason it took me so long, and y'all don't know how long it took, it's just been a second. But I've been struggling with it. If you look right there, you see that little plastic clip? It's on the side over there. That little plastic clip right there, it's on the wire. Little plastic clip down here on the side. Little plastic clips across the bottom, which I don't think they even had to come out. I thought that's what was holding it. It was not. Also, these 4 little screws right here are not the easiest to get to. But then they also put one right over here in the block that goes to the cooler. Little 5/16" bolts. So don't forget all of those. And once you get all of that, the radiator just comes right out. So now it's time for me to get the new one and put it in and see if I can do it easier without busting it, and get it done. It shouldn't be too long. When I get it back in and bolted down, I will show you, and then I will commence to putting everything back together. Fans are there, but the fan on there, and waiting on the guy to call me. I got 5 rims. They're, I forgot what they are, fuel wheels or something. He took off of his Jeep for 150 bucks. I'm gonna go to Tallahassee and get those. And then tomorrow we're gonna put these 35 1250 17s on here. It's got a body lift in just for the drive home, and until I get around to the 2.5-inch lift kit, because this thing's already got a body lift on it. I don't know how big it is, but they put a rough country body lift on it, and I will tell you, buddy, these shocks about had it. This thing wobbles so bad. Anyway, I'll be back as soon as I get this in and bolted down, and we should be good to go after that. All right, guys, I did go ahead and put the grill back on it. Got some covers coming tomorrow for it. I know the lights are coming tomorrow, but I put the snap-in ones here instead of having to pull them all like I did. Everything works great. The friggin' heats up. The fan comes on. No vapor lock, no nothing. We are good to go. I did trip I got a check engine light. I've got an OBD reader coming. I don't have one, so the one I got don't work. So I've got one coming, but I left a damn mass airflow sensor, whatever that is, right there on the intake. I left it off. I got to tighten these two down, or tighten this one down for the intake. Still got that to do. But that's it. I mean, I am absolutely good with it. I do got a question for y'all though. Here, I don't understand. You know, when blinkers start blinking fast, that means you normally got a bulb out. So I got my left blinker works great. The right passenger side does not. Bulb out. So I checked all the bulbs. All the bulbs are good. I finally got it blinking fast on this side, actual light blinking fast. But then I come back here and I got nothing back here, and all the bulbs are good back here. So any suggestions would be great. I do got new tail lights coming tomorrow, I think. So, I mean, those will be getting put in. But if you can, comment and let me know what y'all think it might be on the blinkers, because that make no sense to me. In all my years, that has been a blown bulb, or not even a bad relay, because the relay's in there clicking, clicking, clicking. So it's doing good. The fuse is good. I checked the fuse, so I'm left with wiring. So I don't know what y'all think, but I'm gonna close this video. I don't even know how long it is. I got my face filthy. It's just to say, it is it took me about 2 hours total to get everything cleaned up, filled up, and everything. And with 2 people, I think it would have done probably about 30-40 minutes less, just because of the headaches. And 2 eyes are better than 1, you know. But the radiator came from AutoZone. Yes, they were cheaper on Amazon, but coming until Sunday. And I got to take this and get tires and all that put on it, oil changed, all of that stuff. And we're supposed to do the lift kit on Saturday. So needed it running before Saturday. So I spent the extra money and got it. Got door rash right here. And this right here, that one's getting replaced. I bought the armor shields for these. Wrap it up. Y'all like and subscribe if you hadn't already. Follow along on this Jeep build, because it's going to go fast. I'm going to try to do at least 1 video a week, at least. So maybe more, but other than that, we'll see y'all next time.